welcome back to Sensibly Frugal Living. Today we're going to be trying these taco mixed beans. I hadn't seen these before and they caught my interest, so this is what we're going to be working with in today's video. So many of you ask me for meat-free meals or to do something that's meat-free, so when I saw these I thought, why don't we skip the meat and do tacos with the mixed beans that come ready taco-fied. So I'm going to have a go. I'm going to see if it's nice and I'll let you know. So I've got all my bits and bobs. These are £1 a can, so depending on how many of you are eating them, this can be a really cheap alternative if this turns out alright than buying mince. So we're going to see. I've got a pepper and a red onion, a little bit of lettuce, sour cream tomatoes and some taco shells. Let's get to this. First up, we're going to prep everything because these only take 3 minutes in the microwave. So that bit, easy peasy. The hardest bit is prepping and just warming up the taco shells. I really hope this tastes good. So that's all that salad stuff prepped, and now I'm going to warm up the taco beans in the microwave and get the taco shells in the air fryer for a quick minute. I'm only warming up the one because if I really don't like them I will donate the other tin. Well, I bought two in case my family want to try it as well, but at the moment I'm trying it for me. I don't know if my kids would eat this. My husband might. My kids, not too sure. It doesn't smell super taco-y. Let me have a sniff. In fact, it has like a, you know when you get the tinned meatballs in a tomato sauce, it has that weird smell to it. I'm gonna try it and see what I think, but that's not very taco-y smelling, so you'd have to add more seasoning. And what's the point in buying taco beans if it's not very taco-y smelling? I don't know. Let's give it a bash. So I've warmed my shells. I've heated this to the instructions in the microwave. It smells a little soupy. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm going to put everything together and I'm going to do a little taste test for you. So I made one. I mean, it wasn't terrible, but the best bit was the salad. I could eat it. If somebody produced that at a dinner party, I would eat that. It's not terrible, but you know what I think I'm going to try? A quesadilla. And I'm going to mush these a little bit because that is too watery. So let's make some quesadillas. Oh, and I didn't add the sour cream. For me, sour cream is to take spice away, and that's not spicy in the slightest. So it'd be great for kids, if your kids like beans. Not spicy, it has a little bit of flavour, more tomato than anything else. So I'm going to make use of the ingredients except the lettuce for this meal. That's going to have to go in the fridge. I'm going to chop everything up a little bit smaller. I have these, they'll be alright, won't they? And some cheese. So we're going to make quesadillas and I'm going to give these a bit of a mush. I think I'm going to use my potato masher. I don't like, I'm not sure, guys. Leave it with me. There we go. I drained a lot of the liquid off them. Just so it's okay for what I want it for, because I don't want a really sloppy quesadilla. I've heated a little bit of butter in the pan. I'm going to pop my tortilla in there and I'm going to load it up. Do half. Oh, I should have put my beans on first, really, but let's have a go. Okay, spread it out a little. And then I've got some of them. Here we go. Sprinkled a little bit more cheese on for good luck. Oh, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. There we go. So here's the quesadilla. It looks yummy. I'm not going to lie. I haven't tried it yet, but it definitely looks yummy. That was yummy. I would definitely eat that again. I'm definitely going to make it again. I even think my kids would eat that. Like my son, minus the peppers and things. He don't like the cheese makes it. The cheese makes it. So I'm going to make one for my husband and get him to try it. As you can see, we haven't got very many taco mixed beans left, so the quesadillas were a hit. I ate about 3, but this one's going to be my lunch. The rest were snacks, alright? My husband ate one as well before he got up to get ready for work. So I'm going to leave this video here. So we had a win and we had a fail. I wouldn't eat it in a taco, but I would eat it in a quesadilla. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.